Google Gemini has added a new feature allowing users to create music with their AI for free. Want to make your own song? I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to generate AI music with Google Gemini. Now let's get started. To create music with Google Gemini, first ensure you've updated your Gemini app to the newest available version. Then open Gemini and tap the Tool button at the bottom. Select Create Music. Now, write the prompt for the type of music you want to create. You can describe the topic you want your song to be about, the genre, feel, style, types of instruments to include, and more. You can even attach an image or video to your prompt, and Gemini will create a song that goes with the visual you've provided. Once you're done drafting your prompt, send it in your chat, and Gemini will begin creating your song. When your song is ready, you can tap the play button to listen to the track Gemini has created. With the buttons at the top, you can turn closed captions on or off, share your song in a text message, email, or through social media, or download the song as a video or an MP3 file. If you aren't happy with your song, you can ask for changes or create a new version by writing a follow-up request like you would when creating images with Gemini. That's all it takes to generate AI music with Google Gemini.
Feeling lost with all the apps you see?
Want to learn how to create images with Gemini? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.
Tech Life Unity.